it's harvest time. We've been getting a lot of the food out of the garden. Our pickles, our tomatoes, our ground cherries. We got blackberries growing. We've had great plums coming in, and we made a bunch of food with it. So we wanted to get the family together, let them rank some of the stuff that we've made out of our garden. Ranking all these, just need 5 to 1. 5 being great. You can give them all 5. You don't have to put them in order. 1 being your worst. First up, we have our delicious pickles. We've had such good cucumbers coming out of the garden. 1 pickles.
All right. Sour or spicy? Don't make it.
Mm-hmm.
Four. I don't like it.
That's good. I'd probably give it like a 4.
Those are up there because they're so good when they're cold. I give that a 5.
5?
Yeah, pickles
Okay.
are good. So what do you think?
A 4.
Our first experiment was our plum jam.
Okay.
Our first one we made. Oh, you licked it?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's good. It tastes more like, almost like strawberry jelly this time.
I'll give it a 4. 2.
2?
Uh-huh. Pretty
No.
good.
No. 5 is good. 1 is bad. So what should your pickle be? A 2?
Yeah.
Alright, so what should plum be?
4.
Dang, I mean, 4? It's still really good.
Good. So is that tart? Good. I say like a 3.
Okay.
It's still pretty good.
No.
Alright. Next up, we have our homemade salsa made from our ground cherries and our Roma tomatoes. Out of the garden.
This one I have not tried.
Nope. Yummy. Alright, take a big girl bite.
Spicy. But it's pretty good.
That's good.
5.
5. You really like it?
That's good. It's a little spicy. I don't know, I can probably put that at a 4 too.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Spicy.
That came out just better than I expected. And different. 4. Yeah.
4?
3.
And our wild blackberry jelly. Our first experiment with jelly. Let's see what the family thinks. Last one. Blackberry jelly. Can we just rank it before we eat it?
You just already know.
Or this one. That's blackberries. It's so good. Yeah, 5.
5.
5.
5.
It's really sweet. Number 1.
So you give it a 5?
This is like, how could it get better? There's nothing wrong with it. It's a 5.
Yeah. It's a 5. How was that bread?
Yummy.
It's yummy?
I like this one.
Oh, you want more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yummy. Yummy.
Okay, out of the 4, which ones are you like, I want more of?
I'll take more of the salsa.
Yeah.
I know I give the blackberry a 5, but I could eat more of that salsa.
The salsa does the trick of making you want more.
It does.
It really does.
It's good.
Which one do you want more of?
Plum jam and blackberry jelly.
If you could have more of any of these, which one would you want more of?
I would say the pickles. They were really good too.
You like the pickles?
Mm-hmm.
More than the salsa?
No, I think I would like the salsa more too.
You want all of it again, don't you?
Mm-hmm. I love it.
Which one was your favorite?
This one?
That one?
Yeah.
That one's your favorite?
Yeah.
You shut the whole thing in your mouth. And then which one was next?
This one?
That one?
Mm-hmm.
And then which one after that?
Pickles.
Pickles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the pickles?
Yeah.
And then did you like this one?
No.
No. The results are in. And since it's lunchtime, it made us all really hungry.
Okay.
Hey, anybody have any guesses as to number 1 or number 2? Do you have any guesses? What do you think?
I have a guess for number 1.
Okay.
I think blackberry jelly was number 1 overall.
Oh yeah.
Ah!
Oh yeah. You changed your score at the end. But the best possible score was a 25. Okay? That was the best possible score.
Okay.
So we'll start in last place with an 18.
Okay.
Still did pretty good. It's our homemade salsa.
Okay.
Got an 18.
Okay. That's
In
not bad.
third place, right above it, was pickles.
Pickles.
Ah!
I guess.
What are you doing?
With a score 1 point higher than that, at a 20, was the plum jam.
At 20. Okay.
And then with a perfect score of 25,
Wow.
blackberry jelly.
Yay!
Perfect score.
What if I jump?
No. Hold on to it. Now pull. Bam.
First one. Daddy,
In the bag.
This one.
This big one?
Okay. This
Right
one.
here,
But
yep.
Dad, that's the name. Or this one.
Nope, that one's too small. Get the big one. There you go. Put it in the bag.
Now.
Get all the good sized ones or all the ones that have a little bit of red on them like this. See that?
A little bit of red. This one. This is a big size.
Go. We got 2 more. There you go.
Lucky number 3.
Hey, Riff.